Upgrade your bathroom experience with ZYK7D Smart Toilet Bidet from Bazyths. You will have endless and instant hot water supply for your washing and heated seat to make you feel comfortable wherever you live. Intuitive remote control allows you to adjust and change water and seat temperature to make you feel comfortable. Smart Bidet features elegant and modern upgraded design combined with stylish upgrades and LED light. Colourful night light will illuminate and create pleasant nightlight. Bazyths Smart Toilet Bidet ZYK7D comes with everything you need for brand new installation or replacement of your existing toilet. You can easily follow installation process by following the manual which guides you step by step through the installation process. Experience ultimate hygiene with self-cleaning wand. The cleaning wand modes feature rear, feminine and oscillating modes. You can custom preset your preferred setting on the remote. As part of smart features, this smart toilet bidet toilet will detect your presence and automatically open the seat for you. Once seated, it will pre-wet inside of the toilet. When done with your business, it will automatically flush it and close the lid for you. ZYK7D Smart Toilet Bidet features tankless design with powerful water jet. The cycle knob located on the side of the smart toilet will automate cleaning and drying cycles with one push. The powerful warm air dryer will perfectly dry your bottom in 90 seconds. No need to use paper or towels anymore. Upgrade and enjoy your bathroom with ZYK7D Smart Bidet from Bazyths.